Well, sue me for trying to help reignite the passion in another couple's marriage.
When you're flaunting yourself in front of the whole neighborhood just to boost your own ego.
What? No, we're talking about Joe.
All right, we're moving again because Joe's in the army. I don't want to move to Omaha. My friends are here.
What is this? What do you think you're doing?
Now, if you need me, I'll be chopping wood out front when all the stroller moms go by.
Oh!
That's right.
What was the cause of the accident?
Yeah, I don't know how that thing broke.
Well, I see your neighbor has a Nest camera.
I thought I looked hot, but then the paperboy laughed.
I'm just trying to find out what happened with the window and head home to eat a Runeberg tort.
We kind of fell down a rabbit hole on those countries up there.